So this video is about how to save your relationship.
I need help. Somebody save me.
Well, baby girl, I got you. So, the number one thing I feel like will help to save y'all relationship, you gotta forgive each other. Chances are if y'all relationship needs saving, one of y'all messed up. I guess one of y'all not acting right. Y'all not seeing eye to eye. Okay, say on the outside, y'all said, I forgive you. But on the inside, deep down, you still holding on to whatever it is that made you mad. So then the next time y'all have a little problem, you just explode. You're not over whatever it was that made y'all break up or whatever is hurting your relationship. So any little thing just gonna bother you to the point to where you just want to leave, you know? And trust that if they say they're sorry, that they really are sorry. And try to work on whatever it is that y'all got going on. You can't be walking around with a grudge on your back. You keep carrying the weight, you eventually gonna start to get tired. That weight eventually gonna start to get heavy. You feel me? Cut your negative friends off. So say you actively trying to be with somebody, right? But you got a friend or a person that's just in your ear all the time saying, y'all not gonna work out. You wasting your time. Give up. Cut that person off, bruh. That person don't want to see you win. They don't want to see y'all make it. They don't want to see y'all succeed. Don't get that person that's in your ear the time of day. If you know you want to be with somebody, right? The other person know they want to be with you, right? Be with each other. Don't even worry about what other people think about your relationship. Chances are the person that's in your ear being negative, they either want you or they want to see you fail. Either way, you gotta cut them off. If y'all want to save your relationship, you gotta be able to effectively communicate and comprehend to come to a solution and be the best versions of yourselves y'all can be. Don't rush into things. Say y'all broke up, but y'all wanna try to work everything out, right? You know, just take things slow. And then as things get better and progress, you know, y'all talk more and more until y'all back to where y'all was in the beginning, you know. Relationships take time and energy and thought and commitment. Relationships, they're kind of complicated for real, but you gotta take your time. Don't just jump back into it and then y'all really wasn't even ready to be back together, you know. You gotta make time for each other, okay? So things is going good. Things is getting better. Y'all gotta see each other sometimes, cause you gotta bond now, you know. Y'all gotta get back close, if you know what I'm saying. Gotta smell each other, touch each other, hold each other. Get back used to being around each other. And back to that communication thing, you gotta figure out each other's needs. Figure out what made y'all go wrong the first time, and don't do that the next time, all right? If this action caused this problem, don't do that action, and you won't have that problem. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell if the advice helped you at all. And make sure you go ahead and check this video out right here. All right, thank y'all for watching. Peace.